this video is supposed to tell you why you should choose my course and my lectures online. And I was thinking, and I could tell you a lot of things. Like I could tell you about the high quality of the courses, and that I am a certified teacher, and that you will have all the support you need. All these things that many other people also can give you. And I can understand that it's so hard to choose between so many good courses out there. So what is it that really makes my course special? I guess that this comes from my passion, like I really want to bring to as many people as possible this beautiful language. And I put my passion and my strength into it, and I just can tell you that my courses are made from the heart, and that I really hope that you will see these. If you take my courses, you will be able to have at the end a full A1 to C2 course, because I'm always uploading new lectures, and these ones that are now there, all the lectures together, they will give you what you need to be able to speak and to understand Portuguese and to come to Portugal and feel more comfortable. Of course, I could tell you that there is a magical, or this course is a magical thing that will give you everything you need. This is not true. You also have to put a lot of effort into it, but at least I give you the tools to get to your goal. And I hope that I really can fulfill my desire of getting to as many people as possible, even people that don't have the opportunity to learn Portuguese where they live, and that they, to people that really need to learn Portuguese, but but that can't have it near where they are. And also, of course, an online course always gives you a lot of flexibility. You can stop it, you can go back, you can take notes at your own pace. So you don't really have to follow anyone, you just have to follow yourself. And I will always be available if you have questions, so just email me, just let me know. I really hope that you take this step further into your learning process, and I'll see you soon.